Hi, I'm Ashley and I am an AI tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own AI video tutorials just like this one using generative AI tools. We will be creating an end-to-end AI generated video using DID Creative Studio and ChatGPT. Step 1. Go to the DID Creative Studio website and sign up for a free trial. Step 2. Select Create Video from the left side pane. Step 3. Choose your AI presenter from the given options, or alternatively you can choose to upload a photo of yourself or a colleague. Step 4. Now, open ChatGPT on your browser and feed it with the following prompt. Generate a script for a video based on the following parameters. Video duration in minutes equals, enter your video duration here. Title of the video equals, enter your video title here. Do I need a call to action message? Equals, specify yes or no. Please note that you can further optimize these prompt parameters based on your requirement. Now hit enter and within seconds ChatGPT will generate a video script on your desired topic. Step 5. Copy the script and paste it in the script section of Creative Reality Studio. Step 6. Choose a voice and voice style for your AI presenter. Step 7. Click the Generate Video button. Wait for few seconds and voila! You have a fully generated AI video tutorial within seconds. Now, go out and give this a shot yourselves. Thank you and have a good day.